SOBR stock analysis. Is it a buy or not for next week? Sobr Safe is absolutely... It was cooking on Friday because that was a 14-15% increase. Having done well over thousands of quick predictions on my YouTube channel and investing 5 figures on courses and mentors, there's nobody else has done 37,000 videos with the type of videos that I'm doing on YouTube. With SOBR, it's just, yeah, it's just it's melting. It's melting. That's all I want to say. Unless the price now zooms up a little bit, it's still a bearish market, so that's really not going to change for me. And only if the rules are met am I actually going to short. But the reality here is also that if there is a candle close, like some big catalyst starts breaking above 120, then that's where I'll actually show up and potentially long, but right now it's not it. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. And with SOBR, I'll just continue to keep you safe. You know, like, not safe, but I'm going to continue to keep you updated. And this is not financial advice.